Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Using Casa AI with Shopify is one of the smartest ways to design and customize your store like a developer without struggling through endless lines of code. It lets you build and edit Shopify themes using AI prompts that understand your design goals in real time. In this practical step-by-step guide, you learn exactly how to set it up and use it to create or customize your Shopify store quickly and professionally. First, start by going to casa.sh here and downloading the Casa AI app for your operating system, either Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your GitHub account. Casa needs this to sync your project. Now, open your Shopify admin in here. Go ahead and press on Online Store, and then you will be brought to Themes. And go ahead and click on these three dots next to your active theme. Select Download Theme File to get a zip copy of your theme. Or if you are comfortable using the terminal, you can pull it directly using this Shopify CLI. To do that, open your terminal and run Shopify Theme Pull. This will download your theme files locally where Casa can access them. Now go back to Casa AI. Click Open Folder and select the folder that contains your Shopify themes files. You will see folders like sections, snippets, templates, and assets. Once opened, Casa is ready to assist. To start editing, open any .liquid file, for example, product-template.liquid. Highlight the section you want to change, then press Ctrl+K to open the AI chart. You can now type something like add a featured product slider with arrows and automatic scrolling, and Casa will generate the correct liquid and CSS code for each. You can review the output, and if it looks good, click accept to insert it directly into your file. If you want to create a new custom section, right-click on the sections folder, select new file, and name it something like featured-products.liquid. Then, inside Casa's chart, write generate a featured product section with customizable title, product count, and grid layout. Casa will create a complete working section that you can later add from the Shopify theme editor. When you are done making changes, open your terminal and type Shopify theme push like this. This will upload your edited theme back to Shopify. Once it's uploaded, go to Online Store, then under Themes again, press on Customize in your Shopify admin to preview your updates. You will be able to drag and drop your new sections, change titles, and tweak settings visually. To make your theme more dynamic, you can also ask Casa to edit your CSS or JavaScript files. For example, open theme.css and ask make buttons rounded and change hover color to dark blue. Casa will instantly update the style for all buttons. This workflow saves hours of manual coding and makes theme customization incredibly easy. You can experiment and do or refine your code at any time, all with the help of AI that understands Shopify's structure. Once everything looks perfect, click Save in your theme editor and publish your changes. You've just built or customized a Shopify theme using Casa AI, the fast, intelligent way to design your Shopify store like a pro. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.